Welcome back to the channel. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get to it. So today, just going to be a quick little video showing you how I upgraded the LEDs on my desk so I can go from filming like this to this. Let's get to it. As you can see here, I've got the new LEDs on the table. Now these are looking much brighter than the other ones I had. Right, the first improvement is that these are the waterproofed ones. So no longer when I'm sitting at the desk will I have to worry about breaking the LEDs, because they're now all covered. So that's the first upgrade. Second upgrade, I didn't use the weird corner connectors to do the corners. So instead I just folded it round, because I had no end of trouble with these little connectors because they just never seemed to work, so I didn't bother this time. I just taped them all down and I think it actually looks better. It sticks up just about as much as they did before with the connectors. So just ignore all the crap on the table because I've stuck these down on all the corners on the sides here. It's not too important that I can see the tape because you can't see it in the videos. So I've stuck it up here, still using the power bricks for my power there. Then I've got the main control bit on the side with the infrared sensor. In my opinion, this looks much better. I even had enough left over to put some underneath this part of the table. So now that will spill out onto here, giving a much better effect. Came with a new remote, so let's just have a look. Alright, here's a wide angle view. Let's see what it looks like in the dark. Yeah, this is like 100 times brighter than it was before. Very pleased with this small little upgrade. Because you may have noticed in the previous video, there wasn't really much spill colour on me. That's because my other LEDs broke and could only show the red colour, which barely came up on the camera. And I even had about a metre left over on this one, because this was about 4 metres-ish just to do all this. So very happy with that. So all in all, I think upgrading the LEDs on my desk was good because my videos were just missing that extra little bit of colour. And with the new LEDs, they're much brighter, so if I really wanted to, I could turn them all the way up, but I think that's just a little bit overpowering. But when the brightness is set up properly, I think it just makes my videos look that little bit better. And if I really wanted to, I've got the new remote here, I could pick any colour I want. But yeah, all in all, I think it was a great success. So that's all for now.